in the heck is that? Yay, lay down. Y'all know, the pliers ready. Scale's been off and on, working, not working. Storm's coming in. Hey, that's the way we like it. So I don't get hurt there. Let's move that out of the way. Definitely just scared of bass or something. Ooh, it's raining. Whoa. Hey, bro. Get on out of here. I probably scared off the bite for a little bit. Big old eagle, big old hawk. Jeez, man. Boy, they sitting right on top or what? That thing saw him. He missed it. Came in like, caw. All right. Might not be out here too long. It's like this weather's picking up pretty good. Pretty good mean pretty bad. Y'all see that hawk up there? Spying out some bait. Show me where it's at. Show me where it's at. Boom. Show me where it's at. Wonder what he was going for. Big old shad or a bass. What we got here? Big old stick pounder. Water's pretty clear for this lake for some reason. While it's raining, I don't understand why is that. Actually a pretty decent cast into the wind, huh? Not bad. That was a fish, but I missed it somehow. Look at that. Jeez, DJ. Oh, nice one. Let's water skim, huh? Okay. Well, at least I didn't give him a tongue. That would have been a boo-boo. Hey, it's a carbon copy of the other one. Yay, but he got my worm, guys. All right, fish number 2, about another pounder. Man, it's been tough these past couple weeks. Nice one though. Beautiful looking fish, look at that. Let's go put them back in the water. There's like a little drop off right there, comes up, drops down to a little creek that runs off of this tunnel. Let's go work my run. What I'm trying to do is find what we call the antlers. That's a fish attractor. It's pretty much some curved PVC pipe, giving the fish some kind of shelter. Got one. Got him. Oh, it's not bad, I think. It's not bad. What do you guys think? About a pound? Ooh. Ooh. All right, bro. All right, bro. Damn, I know you see the worm in your face. Beautiful fish though, guys. Look at that, right in the lip. Beautiful fish. See if we can generate something bigger. Gotta cut these back, man. My legs ain't flopping around. That should do it. Big one. Oh no, it's not a big one, it's just a fish. Jig fish. What's up, buddy? Fish number 3, carbon copy of all of them. Pretty nice, huh? I'm digging it. They're feeding down today. Let's let them go fast. You get a 10, buddy. We're back in my garage. We just went fishing out there. Hurricane Kirk is going through. Got pretty dicey out there, really windy. We did manage to catch some fish, which is pretty cool considering the circumstances. I'm glad you guys were able to come along for the ride, and stay tuned for some more fishing adventures.